Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside Word with the document open. This is essential. Go straight to File, then Options, then Proofing. You want the Settings panel. Once there, you uncheck Check Spelling as you type and mark grammar errors so on-the-fly red underlines stop. Make sure to leave Track Changes off unless you need it. That can show different markings. This approach changes only your Word client preferences, so other users or templates won't be affected unless you alter global templates. Once done with proofing, you must apply the change to the template if you want it universal. Use the exceptions for drop-down and select all documents normal. .m to target the default template. This ensures new files inherit the setting. Then, check hide spelling errors in this document only when you need one-off suppression. Make sure to click OK to commit changes and close all dialog boxes. This step prevents Word from reverting to its prior behavior when you create or open new documents. Finish by restarting Word so the new preferences and template updates load cleanly. If red lines still appear, open Review, select Language, then set Proofing Language and tick Do Not Check Spelling or Grammar for the document. This overrides per paragraph language mismatches. Make sure to save normal. .m after making template changes and back it up if you use custom styles. If problems continue, repair Office via Control Panel. That fixes corrupted settings that prevent proofing preferences from sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.